Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to build a website with Wix ADI. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Wix ADI or Artificial Design Intelligence transform the website creation process into an accessible and user-friendly experience for individuals of all skill levels. By swiftly generating a fully operational website tailored to your preference, Wix ADI eliminates the need to start from scratch. Through personalized prompts and input, it creates a design that aligns with your unique vision and brand identity. Automatic design elements, responsive layouts, and pre-designed content sections ensures a professional appearance without necessitating design expertise. The intuitive ADI editor allows easy customization, real-time previews, and seamless integration with various features and apps. Wix ADI not only saves time and cost but also offers valuable guidance, making it a game changer in simplifying and enhancing the website creation journey. In this video, I will show you how to use Wix Artificial Design Intelligence to create a stunning website, whether it's for your business, blog, or online store. Now, first thing that we need to do is to head onto your account. If you still don't have an account, just quickly sign up, put in your email, password, and then your password again, or you can continue with Facebook or Google. But you can just click on login if you have one already. To simply do so, just click onto your email or put in your Google or Facebook or Apple. Now, once you're in, you'd be able to see the different sites that you have created from the past. But what we'll need to do in here is to create a new site. So here on the upper part or in the upper right, you can see a blue button. Just click on it to create a new site. Once you're in, it will ask you what kind of website are you creating. So for this video, we'll type in here blog, or you can just simply click on blog here on the lower part, then click on next. Now on to the next part, it will ask you what would you like to call your website. So you can change this one anytime. And for this video, we're gonna name it travel blog. So let's type in here travel blog. Then right after, we'll just click on next. Now, this part is important for your website creation since these are the things that you want to add onto your website. So you can choose in their blog, chat, forms, and then there are also other options onto the bottom part such as online store, bookings, events, portfolio, pricing plates, Instagram feed, video, music. So just scroll down to all of it and tick all those check boxes if you prefer to add that one onto your website. So right after you've done all of this, just click on to next. Now here's where the magic happens. So you'll need to choose get a custom built website to use Wix ADI. So you'll answer a few questions right after and Wix will build your website based on your preferences. So clicking onto that button or the build a website in Wix ADI website is a critical step because this one initiates the process of creating your website using the artificial design intelligence technology. This step marks the beginning of a guided and streamlined experience that empowers individuals, even those without extensive technical or design skills, to craft a professional and functional website. This kickstarts an automated and user friendly website creation journey, allowing you to harness the power of AI driven design and customization while saving time and effort. It is the gateway to building a professional and engaging online presence without the need for extensive technical skills or design expertise. Now, this is the time to review and edit your info. So you can add in a logo in here, and then you can edit the name, your email address, your profile, and then add your social accounts. So onto this part, you can just skip to this since you can just add this right after you've done the website. Now, right after you've finished adding the details, you'll just need to click on next. Now it's time to pick a theme that reflects your style. So for this one, we can see that there is a Vogue, Chic, Clay, Minimal, and Spark. So there are a lot of themes that Wix offers. But for this one, I think I'm gonna go for a minimal design. So let's click onto this minimal and click next. Now, as you can see, Wix is already preparing your homepage designs, and they will create personalized options for you. Now it's time for you to pick your favorite onto the homepage design. Having an appealing website design serves as the initial point of contact with potential customers, leaving a lasting impression that influences their engagement with your content. A well designed website conveys professionalism, bolstering your credibility and inspiring trust among visitors. The design directly impacts user experience, ensuring easy navigation, access to information, and a pleasant stay on your site, ultimately encouraging them to interact and also convert. Moreover, a thoughtfully crafted design aligns with your brand identity, reinforces recognition, and sets you apart in a competitive online landscape. So for this one, I think I'll go ahead onto this last design here onto the right side and then click on next. Now it's time for you to add extra pages that you need, like about, advertise, and more. Wix will help you choose designs for these pages. Now choose wisely which pages do you need, but you don't have to worry since these pages are tailored for you. You can customize them later. So right after that, click on Edit Site. Now, welcome to the Wix editor. Here you can fine tune your website, adjust elements, sections, and content to your liking. So you can simply drag and drop to rearrange or add new elements for this. Editing your website in the Wix editor and infusing your personal style into the design holds significant importance as it allows you to create a unique and authentic online representation of your brand or identity. While Wix ADI provides an excellent starting point, customization through the editor enables you to fine tune the design elements to align precisely with your vision and messaging. By adding your style, such as choosing specific colors, fonts, images, and layout arrangements, you can create a cohesive and consistent visual identity that resonates with your target audience. This customizations not only distinguishes your website from others, but also fosters a deeper connection with visitors, making them more likely to engage and explore and remember your website. The Wix editor empowers you to inject creativity, tailor the user experience, and ensure that every aspect of your website reflects your brand's value, resulting in a compelling and memorable online presence that effectively communicates your message and achieves your website's objective. Customize specific elements like text, buttons, and images, and use the simple editor tools to make your website truly yours. Now here on the quick edit, we can change the title since the title in here is Discover Travel Blog. So let's just put in here Travel Blog. So let's remove Discover. Now it's time for you to do a quick preview onto your website. So this is an important tool since it provides a realistic simulation of how your website will appear and operate to visitors, giving you a chance to catch any design inconsistencies, formatting issues, or navigation challenges. This preview mode enables you to navigate through various pages, interact with buttons, links, and forms, and visualize the overall flow of your website. So onto this one, we are currently looking onto the PC version of our website, so you can also change it onto the mobile version. So you can also utilize the preview option and can confidently review and enhance your website visual appearance, responsiveness, usability, and ensuring that your final product meets your standards and effectively communicates your intended message to your audience. It's time for the important part. Just click on to publish to submit your website. And congratulations, your site is now published and live online. So there you have it, a tutorial on how we've used Wix ADI to create a fantastic website. Remember, you can always come back to the editor to make changes and updates. So if you've liked this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and until then, best of luck onto your journey onto your website creation.